So good day everyone. So this is our topic, this is our problem solution. So this is our B gear and A gear level. So itong A is itong C, itong D, itong last is F. So this is the diagram of the problem. So the diameter of the gear B is 4.5 inches and the diameter of gear B is 6 inches. So this is our dimension. So F to E natay 12 inches, kung A to D natay 8 inches, kung A to D is 96 inches. So our solution is natay F is equals to TAB over RB is equals to TEF over RE. So times TEF equals RE over RB, so times TAB. So itong TAB natay 1.2 feet inches is equals to 12 pound inches. So itong TEF na 6 over 4.5 times 12 is equals to 16 pound inches. So increase in shaft FE, tayo length na 12 inches. Kung center is 1 half times 7 over 8 is equals to 7 over 60 inches. So itong G is 11.2 times 10 is to the power of 6 psi. So G is equals to pi over 2 C to the power of 4. So it's equals to pi over 2 times 7 over 16 times 4, to the power of 4 is equals to 57.548 times 10 to the power of negative 3 inches to the power of 4. So itong angle EF, D over F is equals to TL over G, JJ. So equals itong TFT is 1/6, itong length is 12. So over itong G is 11.2 times 10 to the power of 6. Itong J is 87.548 times 10 to the power of negative 6. So equals 27.78 times 10 to the power of negative 8 rad. So itong angle E is equals to angle E over F is equals to 29.78 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So to relation of E, natay is equals to RA, angle of E is RB times angle of B. So angle of B is RA over RB. Angle of A is equals to 6 over 4.5 times 29.789 times 10 to the power of negative 3 is equals to 39.718 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So total length na 8 plus 6 is equals to 14 inches. So atong J is equals 57.548 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So angle A over B is equals to TL over GJ. So natay 1 to nati, atong length is 14. Ang atong J is 11.2 times 10 to the power of 6. So atong J is 57.548 times 10 to the power of negative P is equals to 26.065 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So angle A is equals to, itong total ang angle is, angle A is equals to angle B plus angle AB. So atong angle B is 39.718 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Itong angle AB is 26.065 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So ang answer nato is 65.783 times 10 to the power of negative 3 rad. So ato sa mo no degree. Ato sa convert sa degree ang rad to is times 180 over pi. So atong angle is 3.77 angle. So that's all. Thank you.